We gaze upon Zoram's future, yeah, we're looking ahead, filled with a brand new hope, no more tears to be shed. Amidst the winds of politics and the games they play, searching for a leader who can lead us the right way. Awake, oh youth of Zoram, the future lies within your hands, guarding truth and integrity. Let us build a new Zoram together. Forget the wealth, forget the power, that's a hollow call. We're standing for the nation, we won't let it fall. Walking on the path of progress, moving as one. The journey of 1,000 miles has only just begun. Awake, oh youth of Zoram, the future lies within your hands, guarding truth and integrity. Let us build the new Zoram together. Not just friends at the polls, we need loyalty for real, for the future of our children. Yeah, that's the deal. Building up a legacy